The hands in frame rule is a simple yet powerful guideline for anyone appearing on camera. By keeping your hands visible within the frame, you naturally enhance your communication and create a more engaging presence. This technique helps convey openness and confidence, making your gestures part of your storytelling. Viewers are more likely to connect with speakers who use their hands expressively, as it adds energy and authenticity to the message. Maintaining visible hands also signals professionalism, ensuring that your body language supports your words. Whether you're presenting, teaching, or hosting, following this rule can significantly improve the impact of your on-camera performance. When speaking or presenting, it's important to give your hands a purposeful action. Simple movements like touching your face, adjusting your collar, or holding a prop can help you appear more confident and engaged. These intentional gestures prevent your hands from lingering awkwardly or making idle motions that might distract your audience. By keeping your hands occupied in a natural way, you enhance your overall presence and make your communication more effective. Purposeful actions also help you feel more comfortable and in control during your presentation. Keeping your arms relaxed but engaged is important when presenting on camera. Allowing them to simply hang by your sides may unintentionally signal a lack of confidence or focus. Instead, try to use natural gestures that complement your speech and help convey your message. Subtle movements can make you appear more approachable and dynamic. By being mindful of your posture and arm placement, you can create a stronger connection with your audience and maintain their attention throughout your presentation. When setting up your shot, position the camera so that it captures you from the mid-torso upward. This framing allows viewers to clearly see your facial expressions, which are essential for conveying emotion and intent. Additionally, it includes your hand movements, further enhancing the clarity of your communication. Such a setup helps maintain the audience's attention and ensures that your message is delivered effectively. By focusing on both your face and hands, you create a more engaging and relatable presence on camera. In summary, the hands in frame rule emphasizes the importance of keeping your hands visible within the camera's view during on-camera presentations. This simple guideline helps convey openness, confidence, and authenticity, making your gestures more engaging and relatable to viewers. By consistently applying this rule, presenters can enhance their communication, reduce distractions, and foster a stronger connection with their audience. Ultimately, the hands in frame rule is a practical technique that elevates on-camera performance and ensures your message is delivered clearly and effectively.